Thank you so much for registering for the workshop on Saturday. Wonderful. Vamsi and I are super excited to see you on Saturday. I wanted to tell you briefly about myself. My name is Venkat Hari. I live in a small town here in Metro Detroit area called Troy. I was a software developer. I started my career as a Java developer, and then I actually coached more than 2,000 plus people in Java. I was called Java Venkat, and later I trained more than 200 people in AWS architecture. So I'm a solid technical background. I come from technical background. So Vamsi is the same. So like how I grew into the leadership roles, he also grew into the leadership and executive roles in IT. So Saturday, what are you going to expect from this workshop? Essentially, hey, the market right now is bad. We have this layoff concerns everywhere. Everyone is afraid of layoffs. Everyone is playing defense just to secure their jobs. Vamsi and I, we disagree with that approach. We want to play offense and then go for promotion right now. We can do that. And we have done ourselves. We have coached hundreds of people from various big organizations, and we are going to show you how. And three important components that we'll be talking about on Saturday. The first one is going to be mindset. Why is mindset so important for the success? We'll be talking about, we will be sharing our stories, why we got here in the first place. And the second one is the most important skill set to go to that next level, and not just one level, several levels above where you are right now. So there is an important skill set and how to upgrade. It's not Java, it's not Python, it's not your computer language. It's something we will talk about it on Saturday. And the third one is execution. It doesn't matter how much you know. Knowledge is not power. Until you take action, focused action, you don't get the results. So we have some strategies on that one too. And most importantly, if you are someone who is applying for jobs in LinkedIn and shooting for these promotions by applying it either in LinkedIn or Indeed.com and so forth, I'm sorry to say this, that's 20-year-old strategy. That doesn't work. If you want to become that, IT leader, or if you want to become that IT director, VP of engineering, I'm sorry, that doesn't work. You have to play a completely different game because 80% of the job market is hidden. Let me be the first person to say, if I need to. 80% of the job market is hidden. So how can we tap into that job market? We will talk about that one too. So it's not just a high-level mindset stuff. No, we'll get into the actual tacticals and we'll talk about various strategies. You will walk out with a ton of positivity, ton of inspiration to go after your big goals, and also tactical stuff to go after that big goal. So Vamsi and I are super excited to look forward to talking to you on Saturday. And one more, if you do not want to wait until Saturday, if you want to talk to me directly and see and talk about what we do here and how do we help achieve those bigger goals. If you want to talk to us, you don't have to wait until Saturday's workshop. I'm putting my Calendly link below, and book a 30-minute call with me, and I will sit with you and I'll talk about where are you right now and what's your dream role is. Where are you heading? And then we'll find out how we can help. If you think you're absolute fit, we'll talk about the next steps. But you don't have to wait for the workshop to talk to me. you can directly book a call. It's exclusively for you. Let's go. With that, hey, bring two things. One, bring a notebook and pen. You are going to get ton of insights, and it's not going to be a boring webinar. It's going to be a highly interactive workshop. So turn on your webcam and play full out, and bring a lot of energy. We will take it to the whole different level. Looking forward to talking to you. So take care.